Some people spend their life focused on the present. Some are still firmly stuck in the past. The fortunate ones fix their eyes on the future and then grab a ride on the type of vehicle that will take them there, and in record time. The facts are, Canada's renovation market is worth $60 billion a year. On average, 14 to 16% of Canadian families move every year. One forward-looking franchise company was designed and engineered specifically to capitalize on these future realities. Their name? Prep and Sell. And you can be a part of it right now.
Perfect. All right, thanks. When you're faced with a corporate layoff, you wake up real quick. I wanted to get out of the corporate world anyway, so I looked at a lot of franchises, but not many are single operator businesses where you can be your own boss. Prep and Sell is all about freedom and being part of a team.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Thank you. I didn't want to be stuck in a store waiting for customers. Where's the fun in that? I like design work, real estate, and improving things much better. Heck, with my kids gone, I'm the one getting things fixed around here anyway. I want a challenge, and Prep and Sell is one of the really good franchises out there for women.
Prep and Sell has a proven system for renovation success, and their long satisfied customer list backs this claim up.
Prep and Sell has been great for me because I know that I can just make that phone call and they're right there.
Their customer service was amazing. They took over, made it all happen, and I didn't have to worry about a thing.
So it was late on a Sunday night, called Dave from Prep and Sell, and they were there next morning. Not only did we sell it, but we sold it for more money than any of us even ever imagined possible. So I'm happy to have them.
The one thing I'd like to say is I've become a good friend of Prep and Sell, and especially David Collier.
Many will try to develop a renovation or handyman business on their own, and many will fail because they simply do not have access to the crucial elements that Prep and Sell openly offers their franchisee partners. With Prep and Sell, you have a unique niche market, excellent marketing and advertising, a trusted track record of over 10 years, franchise webinars, website and newsletters, ongoing support and coaching, a franchisee exchange forum, unlimited market potential, the ability to work in your community, the option to start part-time, and no employees.
Prep and Sell is a great family business too.
Or partnership.
Hello, I'm Dave Collier, the president of Prep and Sell. This is not a donut or a fast food franchise opportunity, and it's not for everyone. You need to be hands-on, you need to be able to give great customer service, and if you're passionate, motivated, and have high standards, we can help you become a Prep and Sell franchise manager. We have a great system, and there's lots of room for people who can think for themselves and the freedom that goes along with it. You don't need to be a salesperson. There's plenty of demand out there. You just need to be a people person, and that will come with success. We get lots of interest, but not everyone is going to get a franchise. I urge you to call me personally, and let's see if there's a fit here. I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.
Prep and Sell is perfectly situated to benefit from the exploding home improvement market. They paid their dues and cleared the path for those that want to follow. Intrigued? Give Prep and Sell a call today.